When the primary soil in your area is a hard to dig in red, thick clay, you really give a shovel its test. Is it durable enough to break through that difficult clay and really help make an impact? In this video, I was using the shovel to install a mole repellent in our garden, but I think this would be so great for a beach trip, so you could easily install a beach umbrella or dig those amazing castles, or for a camping trip, anytime you need a lighter, more compact shovel on the go. I can easily carry this with one hand, but it is durable and strong enough for me to even get through the toughest of soils. It comes ready to assemble. You simply put the ends together and twist to assemble the complete shovel. Feels nice and secure once assembled, like that no-slip grip and that carbon on the end, and the reverse is true. Simply untwist to return to its travel or storage state, nice and compact. Once unassembled, it does measure a total of 16 inches in storage length, and assembled, it measures a total length of 30 inches. And being a mini shovel, the head is 8 inches long by approximately 6 inches wide, with the rounding depth of about half an inch. Coated rust-resistant steel. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. For me, this mini shovel is getting the job done.